How to loan load in DitoSim. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can loan load in DitoSim. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to loan load on DitoSim, first thing is you need to head over to DitoSim app on your device. Once you are here, when you head over this load assist section, you should be finding the section where you can enter up a mobile number, and where you will be also finding that if you are eligible for the Ditto load assist or not. So all you need to do after that in order to loan load is you can go to the help center of your app and you can go and search for Ditto load assist, and there will be some articles given. You can just follow up those articles and you can just go ahead and loan load in your DitoSim. So that is it for now. That is how you do it, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.